Hey everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back to RestoreGarage. It's a warm spring day, snow's melting, and everything's flooding out here. We spotted an abandoned police car sitting in a flooded area. Looks like they lost control and bailed before it sank. That's an old Ford Taunus, and it's almost completely underwater. There's still ice and snow floating around too. Pulling this thing out is not gonna be fun. Alright, we're starting the recovery. Let's move in closer and check the situation. Yeah, that's deep. Good thing we came prepared. Let's look inside. Everything's flooded. There are even chunks of snow and ice floating around. This car's gonna be way heavier because of all that water. There are old soaked rags in here too. The engine's completely wet. No way this thing drives out on its own. Good thing there's no battery. A soaked battery would be dangerous. Just like we said, the water's freezing and pretty deep. Another meter or two and this thing would have sunk completely. Alright, let's move fast and get it out of here. Hooking up the cables from both sides. So far so good, but this is just the beginning. The slope is steep and there's a ton of snow making it worse. If we loosen tension to get a run-up, the car slides back into the water, so we called in backup to hold it in place. This is turning into a full operation. Second vehicle is holding it steady. The main thing now is not to rip off the mounting points from too much tension. Pulled it far enough, now locking it in with the winch. You should have seen how much water poured out of it. And there we go, we pulled the police Ford out of the water. Here's what it looks like inside. Yeah, everything needs drying. No way the engine starts like this. We'll tow it back to base. There's way too much fluid inside the engine. We'll have to drain everything and refill it. Water probably got into the fuel tank too. Wait, no way, weapons. The police left a shotgun and a baton in the trunk. That's insane. What a find. We'll tow it with another truck. It handles these muddy spring roads better. But first, let's pump up the tires. Sun's already going down. Feels like minutes on video, but we've been at this for half a day. Alright, heading back to base. Look at all this water flowing from the fields. Snow melted and flooded the roads. And we're back at base. Looks like the exhaust fell off on the way. We've got the Ford inside, now placing it on the hydraulic lift. Positioning the lift arms under all 4 points and lifting it up. Setting up a container to drain the old oil and fuel. Also draining the rear differential, loosening the bolts. And cutting off the damaged exhaust while we're at it. By removing the exhaust, wow, it's completely twisted. There goes the fluid from the diff. Man, look at all that dirt inside. All right, tightening everything back up. Now moving on to the engine repair. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, it really helps us out. We've removed the oil filter and now taking out the spark plugs. Installing a charged battery. Checked coolant level, now putting in a new oil filter. Pouring in fresh oil, lubricating the filter seal, and cleaning the dipstick. Heating and drying the spark plugs. Putting them back in. All right, first start attempt after drying and initial repairs. We've got RPM. Checking tire pressure. And rolling out of the garage. Meltwater even reached our base. Look at all this water. We're basically using a ferry to move around. Now let's wash it. No pressure washer today. Conditions don't allow it. We'll do it by hand. At least the dirt from the pond will come off with water and a brush. Don't worry, we'll bring back the foam wash soon. Let me know in the comments. How often do you wash your car, bike, or motorcycle? We decided to speed things up, just dumping water from buckets. Honestly, the police should thank us for recovering and servicing their car. If you're in law enforcement, at least drop a like. Here's the result. Check out this find, an abandoned police Ford Taunus. Looks classy and vintage, but we've got a few finishing touches left. Let's sand down the rust. Our tools are acting up today, but we keep going no matter what. Touching up with black paint. Won't fix everything with a spray can, but it definitely improves the look. By the way, check out our recent find, the Ronaldo Lamborghini. Oh no, someone's trying to steal the radio. But the police are here. Stop! Don't move! You're under arrest! Ah, he got away. Damn. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and see you next time.